And a machine fire a IRAMA ref for Jamaica versus game. Roughest out here, hear me talk. No pussy test. No in earth.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica 𝐬𝐶 with another reaction. Today, guys, we are with Hugupungeh. No, Hugupungeh. Hugupungeh. Yeah, Hugupungeh with Laughing Song. First time I hear that song, it was on Magnum King and Queens. So some years back. I can't remember exactly when, but yeah, big up the G. Hugupungeh. Laughing Song. Let's get it. Hi guys, I interrupt this video to bring you today's sponsor, which is 𝐬𝐶. Yes, so gaming PC, there's water cooled PC, you can build your own PC, and they're very easy to contact. Yes, 𝐬𝐶, the link is going to be pinned in my description of this video. Okay, you can also use my promo code, which is 𝐬𝐶, currently on screen now, to get £30 off your final price. Okay, and this is very important to know also. It's free UK mainland delivery. Yes, free UK mainland delivery, tracked and insured also. Okay, they only currently ship within the UK. So if you're in the UK and you're looking for a PC, these are the guys that I can recommend because they build my PC for me from scratch. Okay, as you can see, they're very clean PCs, very clean. You can check them out. Link is gonna be pinned in the description. Also, I'm gonna leave their Discord link where you can contact them directly, and the WhatsApp link is gonna be there too. They're also on Instagram and Facebook where you can reach out to them, so they're very easy to get to. Like I said, you can build your own PC. All you have to do is sign up to the website, and you can start building your own PC and go from there. Okay, so check them out. 𝐬𝐶. Link is down below. Thank you. Let's go. Classic rhythm.
And you cannot refuse it.
Remy, big up yourself. Remy Studio. All right.
Aye, show me a reason with myself. I'm here alone against the whole of them. I tell me, say me mad. But them men know within yourself. It's at the better. At the best way to chat to Father God. Hey, and when me laugh up with myself, the hypocrites, them all a talk about, say me don't got no sense. But me not stop laugh off of them, cause me know say me magnificent.
God. Boy! Laugh ya, boy! Yo, when people see you talk to yourself, you know, them say you're mad, you know. First time I'm mad is talking to yourself. That's what them say. That's not where Hugupungeh say. All right.
And you cannot refuse it.
All right.
Hey, show me a reason with myself. I'm here alone against the whole of them. I tell me, say me mad.
Hey!
But them men know within yourself. It's at the better. At the best way to chat
to Father God.
Hey, and when me laugh up with myself, the hypocrites, them all a talk about, say me
don't have no sense. Let me tell you. Him say when him laugh up with himself, the hypocrite them tell him say him not no sense. That way who no want believe. Who no want believe that.
Hey,
smarter than the whole I know.
Laugh up with myself, the hypocrites them all a talk about, say me
don't have no sense.
But me not stop laugh off of them, cause me know say me magnificent.
Watch him bumbo class spliff, dog. Yo, watch his spliff. He pliff long your fuck. Okay. I know it's like that. I can't go back some tear up under that.
Be magnificent. Me have to really consider how them people are done. Morning, noon and night, I mean name them and yam.
Yeah.
It full them belly, quench them thirst like tongue. A serious thing, stop laughing, no man.
Just see how much things him name I do for them, full them belly and quench them thirst like tongue. Yeah, because them just live for my name, so them start bite off my name, so.
It full them belly, quench them thirst like tongue. A serious thing, stop laughing, no man. You know see the world of the madman. Now change my style or pattern.
They got a song about them fuck. Rasta, kiss.
Them claim say me nah no sense and try for this me.
Yeah.
Big stone sail off of them like a frisbee.
Oh, me forgot him. That clip, yeah, he was performing on a show. I mean, know what got on, bro. Rasta get dark, midnight.
Them claim seminar no sense and try for this me. Big stone sail off of them like a frisbee. Them say hold him officer.
Him say you crazy. You know see the situation look risky. You think me want me head this splatter like a gravy? Want make uno no catch him, now the family. Lick him down and type up and then you don't call me. See me number ya hear me lady. 357770. I cut they must think me a hero.
That's class. Yo, this body a fuck dog.
Have you ever seen a madman with a boombox? Must be a genial, did you find that? Listen to the words and don't pre-relax, cause what him a talk, it might be facts.
Listen to the words and don't pre-relax. Don't pre the persona. Don't pre the madness where them a say. Just listen to what me a say to you. And you will know say me no mad. What I'm to you.
Listen to the words and don't pre-relax, cause what him a talk, it might be facts. Me laugh pan key and it create a bang. People roll off of them bed. What you say man, laugh?
Yeah, the man say me laugh pan key and it create a bang. People roll off of them bed, brother, cause it's funny dog.
Me laugh pan key and it create a bang. People roll off of them bed. What you say man, laugh till them nearly dead when them hear this a one.
Yeah, I'm bad as fuck.
Hey, show me a reason with myself. I'm me alone against the whole of them. I tell me say me mad.
Yeah, man.
But them don't know within yourself. It are the better, are the best way to
Talk to Father God.
Hey,
Hey.
and when me laugh up with myself,
Yeah.
Which them all a talk about.
Me don't have no sense.
But me not stop laugh off of them.
Cause me know say me magnificent. Yo, big up Remy Studio, big up yourself. Yo, what can I say? This is crazy. This is a sick song. I think with more promotion, it would have gotten further than where it got to. Cause it's a vibe. It's a fucking vibe. I love it. I love it. Hugupungeh, big up yourself. Hugupungeh, big up yourself. When people don't understand something, or don't understand you, them always brand you. Them always brand you, say you're mad or whatever. Man, I play a fool for catch wise, another one. Yeah. Him a play a fool for catch wise. Yes, that you have to do more while for tricky pussy them. I mean, no one think about that one, man.
You know this is Zony, the one and only, and watch now. May I represent for who? Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo!
You think louder than promotion?
What more can I do?
Yeah, me come drop some more buying span them and do what? Def them.